Thanks for joining us today. My name is Sarah, and I'm the founder of University Parent. We help parents find everything they need to support their student through college. Today, we're going to show you the Complete Campus Pak from OCM.com. We met with two parents that are sending their son off to college in the fall, and we asked them to check out the Complete Campus Pak for themselves. Here's Holly and Mike opening the box for the first time to check out everything that's included.
Can I pick some of this stuff? Wow. Mattress pad. I cannot believe this all fit in the box.
Oh my gosh.
He is set.
Resident Hall.
Look at under the bed bag. That's where all his top ramen noodles will go and dirty laundry.
Pillows. And a laundry bag.
This is
like a pad or something.
It's a mattress topper. Jeez.
How crazy is that?
No kidding. Nice. That's perfect. And two pillows and a laundry bag. So I guess top ramen and cup of noodles. This is great. iPad. Yep.
Oh,
all his gadgets. Gosh, that's perfect. He's ready. That is dorm box right there. And I love the colors. Since it's a boy, it's not hot pink, and he's gonna love it. Perfect. That was fun.
You can take it with you on Wednesday. Make sure it fits.
Right. I'll make his bed.
That's so sad. You know you're gonna do it too, huh?
Of course she is. Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna make his bed and set them all up and walk away and say goodbye and not turn back around. Because that would be very, very tough. But
man.
This is awesome.
But it's also like one of those things where you're like thinking, he's moving.
It's really leaving. And this is proof. He'll be back.
Here's what I like about OCM's Complete Campus Pak. First, it's very convenient. It has more than 24 items that your son or daughter will need to set up their room, and you can ship it straight to campus. This is so much easier than driving around town trying to find everything you'll need individually. Plus, it's a really great value. If you order the Complete Campus Pak, you'll save more than $100 compared to if you bought everything on its own. Their products are all guaranteed until graduation, and they get back to the school. A percentage of every sale goes directly back to benefit students. If you're interested in learning more, check out OCM.com and follow #RoomGoals to learn more. Thanks for joining us for today's product review.